Yes people, we're back again, and today is a good day, and the reason why it's a good day because the sun's out. And if you know the UK, you know that 364 days of the year the UK has autumn and winter. There's only one day that you have the summer, and today is the day, so I'm really good and happy. We're going to look at another colorway for the Adidas Samoa. Look, this sneaker has really captured my imagination. I love this silhouette and just the way it looks.
Extra, extra, read all about it. 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 Hot off the press, brand new news, front page, who is this? All black on.
The particular colorway is the green, white and gum combo. It caught my eye due to its clean looks, perfect for the summer. Imagine G's Samoas paired with shorts for men, loose fit trousers for women and a white tee or loose top. You know, it just gives off that summer vibe, that lovely feel, lovely look.
Read all about it. Extra, extra, read all about it. Extra, extra, read all about it.
I won't delve deeply into this sneaker in this video. If you're new to my channel, you may not know that I've already covered the Samoa in a previous video. So for more details, please refer to that video. But I will go over some key points. The Samoa has only just recently released on the 31st of May to be precise, and believe it or not, it only released in women's size. Yes, women's size. But don't be despondent, men.
Oh man, oh God, oh man.
The size run goes all the way up to size 15, which is excellent. Size and comfort is good. In the last video, I said true to size and thought it was quite tight. I'm going to correct this slightly. It is true to size, but it is slightly snug, but not that snug. I wore these to work and complete 12k steps in them and was okay. When I tried them first time, I didn't realize my foot was swollen. And we're not going to go into that, but there was a madness that happened with my foot, something to do with potentially gout, but it threw me off. When I've worn it now, or wore it to work, it's comfortable. It's true to size, real true to size. Anyone who's got a wider foot, probably half a size or full size up. Look, I'm really fond of this silhouette and believe they are quite versatile. I'm going to demonstrate this by trying on about four outfits I'm going to put on. I'm going to show you guys how potentially you could style this. Now, there is a disclaimer, okay? There is a disclaimer. The disclaimer is I am not a stylist. I'm not a fashionista. This is purely what I like to wear and possibly what I could wear with these sneakers. I'm just trying to show to you that it's quite versatile. Really nice silhouette. Anyway, without further ado, all right, I'm going to start off, first of all, let you know what we're working with, yeah? So my stats are, I'm about 17 stone, 2 pound. In old money, that's what, 230 pounds? All right, just check that. It's actually about 240 pound in old money. So yeah, I'm a 240 pound, about 6 foot minus 1 inch, if you know what I mean. And my feet are size 9, so that's what we're working with. So first look is a casual look, a very casual look. So we got up top is a Marks and Spencer's premium t-shirt. These are not too expensive, however the look and feel is very nice. Now on my body, to be honest, I'm not really feeling it. I don't think it's looking right, maybe because boy, I'm slightly not looking how I want to look it, and maybe it's just me, but I don't think it's working at this moment in time. And I thought, you know what, I still put this in the video only because, you know, sometimes you get it right, sometimes you get it wrong. However, moving to the below, we're talking about the pants. So we have here the Adidas ZNE pants, premium joggers. They're really nice, really, the material is really, really nice. We've got premium balls. It is actually recyclable materials that is being used here. So ZNE, if you don't know, stands for zero negative energy. So this is Adidas doing the recycle bit on their clothing, but the feel looks really nice. It's part of the Aero Ready range as well, so he's got that breezy, you got that freshness as well, and it's got stretch as well, so it is quite a nice fit. Second outfit, I thought to myself, you know what, I like these joggers so much that I bought the same style bottoms but in a woven type fabric this time, so it's slightly different. Again, era ready, part of the ZNE range, and I'm not sure if you're aware, the ZNE range is actually on sale at this moment in time. So I actually got these cheaper, the joggers. They were £65, got them for £45. Now, for me, that's a steal because it does look really good. It's not too baggy, and you can get all the way up to huge size if you want. I've got these in XL and feels really nice. It's tailored, it's not too much. As I said, I'm not a small person, quite chunky, quite big, and these kind of just tailor just right, so it tapers all the way to the ankle, which is quite good, rather than trying to cover my top part of my leg and then find that my bottom part of my leg is looking like some colossal something. So anyway, this looks really good. One thing I do like about these is it's got these hidden pockets, so if you look at the zips, they're like hidden, and it looks really nice and neat. You know, you get some trousers with the pockets, and the pockets are a thing, you can see them, they're kind of bulbous and they're there, where these ones, they're quite nice, slimline, sleek, you zip them up, it looks quite tight, so that's quite good. Oh, and the top, we're wearing that Adidas Polo. Actually, this was also on sale, believe it or not, for £17.50. So £17.50 for the top, which is a really nice top, to be honest. Shout out to the Adidas, the good sales at this moment in time. So if you want me to put links at the bottom in the description, let me know. If I get quite a few comments, then I'll put the links in the description. So we are done with the casual. Now we're moving on to smart casual. Now these Adidas Samoas, they could do smart casual. As I said, these sneakers are quite versatile. So there's my attempt at smart casual. Again, keeping it simple, not doing too much about things, not doing it too much. So up top, we've got a Ralph Lauren long sleeve polo, which is one of my favorite tops. I really like these polos. It just looks really nice. It goes well. Again, as I said, I'm a bit chunky, so this kind of works for my body type. I do like the high-rise neckline. I think that's quite good. The jeans are Marks and Spencer's jeans, again with flex in them. I know we've moved on from slim fit and from tight, but as I said, my legs are quite big. If I get big trousers, then what happens is it starts looking like clown type trousers. I don't like that look. So this is slightly big, a bit looser, not too tight, but I had that little flex. At the bottom, it's kind of tapered in. Again, have that flex. But as you can see, the Samoas are popping. They're popping. You know what? They're popping. You get me? Yeah, so I like them so much that you can see that particular look that I think will go well with this sneaker. All right. Again, we're doing the smart casual again, but we're going to switch it up a little bit. So we've got the shorts on. It's a running theme in terms of Marks and Spencer's. I do like the Marks and Spencer's brand. Tell you a little story. When I was younger, I was into the designer, so everything in my life was designer. Had to be. It was until I kind of realized that, or it was my sister who pointed that out. She says, you know what, it's not about the designer, it's about what looks good on you, you know, so how you feel with the clothes on. So I started to realize that I didn't have to buy designer all the time. Okay, I've got a few pieces, don't get it twisted. You know, sometimes you want to get that designer, you want to get that, oh, I look really nice. And sometimes only designers can do it, but you don't have to go there. So with this piece, we have on the bottoms is the Marks and Spencer shorts, like chino type shorts. So they're quite good, quite tailored. They look really nice and not too baggy. As you can see, they're not too baggy, not flared out, but they look quite neat. And up top, we've got a knitted top by Zara. This top is quite a nice knitted top. It's got the collar, got the knitted type stripes, you know, you've got the patterns. So to me, this is a nice outfit. It's cream up top, got a slightly, is it taupe type color on the shorts. And then you got the Samoas that pop off, as you can see. You got the green that pops off, you got the white that pops off. But one thing that looks quite nice is, you probably can't see it in the image, but you got the suede on the toe, around the toe area, which is a sail-like look. So that kind of complements the top. And then you got the gum, and you can see that on the front guard, how that pops off. So for me, that's a nice, smarter casual, especially for that summer period. You know, we talked about that summer vibe, and this has it. And this is that look. That's my idea of 4 outfits that potentially could work. You know, you let me know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And like that, I'm gone.